Hi, all. It's spring break season. So, wherever you're going, typically people are going someplace warm if you're able to travel this time of year. Thinking of different ideas of how to travel lightly, I grabbed things that just change the outfit or make it super easy. Options, ideas I was thinking of. Lipstick can just like, wow, I look ready for dinner tonight without actually having to put on a ton of makeup. Packing some accessories just to make it easy. Headbands are always the best. Even scarves, like on the plane, you could have it for warmth, but also it could be, the shawl. This one's a little lighter, or tie it and make it part of your outfit. I just think of new ideas or different ways to wear, and you'll see on this newsletter as well how to wear one short a couple different ways. Like a dress that has buttons. I wouldn't wear it over the sweater, but it's a button-up dress that fits normally like a dress, but then having it open so it can just be a different style. So reach out with questions, but those are just some quick tip ideas just to have less in the suitcase, less on your mind, and just to have a good time. So happy spring break. Happy spring to all of you.